Right guys, so I have this one here. I done that just at the end of the summer and I thought I'd bring it in. I'm going to finish it off. I have a few wee bits to do. I need to take the back off it, and pretty much all the details I've done, and I've got it sanded up. So right, to take the back stuff off, I'm going to be using, that's a big kutzall on a 1/8, just a kutzall original. Flame bar on a, I'm running that on a die grinder, a hand piece on a die grinder. So I'm going to use this now just to clean up the sides of it. I'll see how we're looking. Got the edge all the edge of it's all rounded off now. You seen how easy it was using the 1/8 kutzall, or sorry, the 1/4 inch kutzall that is. You can see how quick a 1/4 inch, the bigger bits already take it off. So I have to go around now and just sand this all up, and then I'm going to give it a wee staining, and then just sand up the highlights. It should be good. So we will continue on. Right folks, so I've got it stained up like this, and I'm going to let that stain dry in, and then what I'll do is I'll sand up all the high points on this, and at the very end I'll seal it with a wee bit of lacquer, and it should be done. But that's it at the minute. Right guys, so now I've got this wee flap sander. It's a 120 grit, and I'm going to use that just to run over this now quickly, and I'll sand up the highlights, and then hopefully that's it done. There we go, starting to take shape now. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish it off. Maybe we drop a lacquer. Let's see how we go. There we go guys, so I'm really pleased with that, and that is going to my bro Larry B. Dibs in Canada, and I want to say thank you Larry bro, really appreciate it mate. And for everyone else doesn't know, that is my first carving that I've sold, and I had sold it before I even finished it. Larry PM me and he says to me, yo bro, is that for sale? I was more than happy to sell them it because the lockdown at the minute just we're all been put in this position, so never had a problem with going out to work. But unfortunately at the minute, yes, I work for Amazon, I'm not allowed to work, so I'm not going to work for Amazon. The big companies get enough, don't need my support. I need to support my wife and my family, so thank you, Larry, mate, because you really helped me out. And like I say, guys, I'm going to start selling my own carvings, and I'm probably going to sell them. I'm going to make a iconcarve.com up and sell them from there, because I do the carving, I do the postage, and I do all the sending. Why should I give Amazon a cut of it? Personally, I think Amazon make enough. So I'm going to do my own carvings, do my own website, and just hope for the best. We'll see what happens. But I do want to say a big special thank you to Laurie, because you really did help us out there, bro, by buying this, mate. And I do appreciate it. And that is my first carving that I've sold, so thank you very much, mate. Really, really, really appreciate it. And like I say, that's it all finished. Is on it. There we go. To Laurie from Bat. Thank you, bro. And it's really signed there, and then I just put the date on it. And that's in a piece of Dawn Redwood. Dawn Redwood. And like I said, it's a dark Jacobin Danish oil. There's a stain on it. And then sanded up the highlights, sanded up that wee flower. A bit of the hairband and bits around the face and stuff. So, all good, folks. And that whole thing was carved with a kutzall. You can find the links in the description below too if you're interested in kutzall burrs. But there, that's what I use to carve my wood, kutzall burrs. That's the burrs I use there, kutzall 1/8. And you'll find them also on Carving Fusion. My bro Jordy, and that's where I learned to carve from. Jordy Johnson, Carving Fusion. So this here, that's in a bit of wood, would not happen if I had never watched Carving Fusion, and that's the truth, folks. So thank you, Jordy. And there we go, folks, all done. And I shall get that lady posted off to you very, very soon here, bro. And hopefully you like it. And I really appreciate it, mate. Like I say, thank you very much. And any other carvings are going to be coming on iconcarve.com, because I need to support, my family needs to support, not Amazon or all the rest of them dudes. They make enough on their advertising. With me trying to start selling through there. So there we go, folks. Hope everybody's keeping well. And just stay happy, stay carving. Don't worry about the crazy world we're all in at the minute. There's not much we can do. Just run out to your wee shed, grab a bit of wood, grab your dremel, and just carve some wood. Be happy. So everybody, stay happy, keep carving.